Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and this will extend the list of visible toggles, revealing screen recorder. Tap on it, and by default it will automatically start recording with the microphone being enabled, and you can just open up applications, record them. Once you're done, you can click where the timer is, and this will automatically save your screen recorder or recording to your photos gallery application. Gallery is what we have right here, and you can see it right here at the top. You can also navigate to albums, and you have screenshots, and in screenshots you will find the screen recordings as well as screenshots. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.